Hi everyone, welcome into Awe Studio. With Black Friday coming up, I want to encourage you to do an activity with your children. Instead of spending money, you can do something that's really fun that they can gift, and you can find ways to reuse their old paintings. So follow along with me. This is an idea that I had introduced to me many years ago, where you actually take an old painting and make it into a little book or booklet, and you can see that it starts with one large sheet of paper. This is a 12 by 17 sheet of paper, and I'm going to show you right now how easy this would be. You could take your children's old paintings, or you could just paint something freely with them, and then when it's dry you can do this activity. So here's what you do with the paper. First, you're just going to fold it in half so that the back side is facing you, and crease it, and then open it up and fold it the long ways and crease. Then open it up again and take the outside edge and fold it in to the inside halfway crease on both sides. So you'll end up with this sort of a folder look. And then you'll notice that you are finally left with 8 squares. Now you're going to take a pencil. This is so that you don't get lost in what you're doing, and just draw across this inner line to only these sides. So you're just drawing across from here to there. And then you're just going to take some scissors and cut that line. And if you think that you might get mixed up, put a star on either end of that line. Then fold it in half and start on the outside crease and just cut across to where the star is telling you to stop. Now comes the fun part. You're going to pull it apart like this so that the painting side is facing you, and you grab with one hand one of the creases on the inside and the other on the other side, and you pull outwards. So you have this painting like so, and you grab each one and then you pull them outwards. And as you're pulling them outwards, you see that the sides are coming together. And then you just recrease, and you have your little booklet. Then go ahead and trim off any edges that are a little bit too long. And then you could take your creasing tool, which could be a butter knife for you, or the side of a spoon, and recrease like that. You can write little stories inside for whomever you're going to give it to, or maybe write wishes or pictures. And you could even punch a hole here and hang it on a gift. I hope you enjoyed this little craft activity and that you will find many uses for your little booklets.